Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone won't die mid-reset, plug it in, or confirm battery above 50%. Once ready, identify the exact model and OS so you choose the correct reset method. If you can still access settings, back up important files and note your Google or Apple ID. This prevents activation lock later. Now power off the device and prepare to enter recovery or modem mode. This is where the actual reset begins. Once the phone is off, use the model-specific button combination to enter recovery mode. Volume plus power variants differ by manufacturer, so press and hold accordingly. When in recovery, navigate with volume keys and choose Wipe or Factory Reset, then confirm. This erases user data and settings. Make sure you watch any prompts for encryption or FDR, Factory Data Reset options. After you confirm, wait. The system will complete the wipe, and then reboot into the initial setup screen. You finish by following the on-screen setup and signing in with your Google or Apple ID to restore access. This verifies ownership and re-enables services. If activation lock appears, recover the account email or reset the password using the provider's account recovery flow. This is often the single point of failure. If you couldn't access recovery mode or the phone is unresponsive, use the manufacturer's official PC tool to reinstall firmware. It fixes corrupt systems and completes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.